marketing manager. Hello sir, magandang araw. Ano pong sinisigaw ng lahat? Ang Pogi. Okay, can we request a kiss with Tita Susie? Okay, Sir Joshua, magandang araw po. The stage is all yours.
Are you all having fun today?
Yeah!
Sensya na, may konting script lang. So I just need to be guided with the script. Anyway, so hello everyone. I hope you're having fun and we're so excited. We've done this for the second time. We did it in June this year. Maybe some of you were not able to join. That's why we opted to have this year-end event so that at least more than what we expect to attend today would be able to come. So we're glad for Tita Susie to be able to gather this today's occasion, especially from the side of the media. Thank you for attending our year-end event today from our media friends and our social media influencers and KOLs at the same time. So anyways, Subway has had an incredible successful year, especially for 2022, and we would like to acknowledge everyone for coming here today. Without your support, we would have not been able to achieve the level of success that we have right now. The secret of our success is simple. We offer fresh, we offer tasty and on-the-go food that our guests love. So we are constantly innovating, launching new products and campaigns that keep our brand fresh. So our latest milestone in this year is our CSR activation, which is the School in a Box program that we launched last July. So this is our commitment to giving back and making a positive impact to our community. So just to highlight our last leg of the year for this 2022, we will be launching another campaign in December, which is the Pork Patty BBQ Sub. So flash the screen. So this will be available from December 7 to January 31, 2023. So make sure you try to get it before it's gone. So again, to all our media partners, thank you for all your dedication, for all the love and support for the brand. Just to give you a backstory lang. When I joined the company in 2019, we started from scratch. We had no PR then at that time. So marketing was really challenging at that time. So in 2019, prior to pandemic, I was like dreaming of coming up with PR campaigns, except that I had nobody to reach out to. In fact, I tried to research on some bloggers and submit an article and wishing that they would publish that article, but only to realize that it didn't happen. So come pandemic, we were resilient during the pandemic because thank God there was K-pop, K-drama, when Netflix and VIU was all over the place, especially in the Philippines. And thank you for the Filipinos really love K-dramas. It made the brand make waves during the pandemic during that time. So we were resilient in 2020. And 2021, we were still a bit challenged with all the sales, negative performance. But come 2022, with the partnership that we established with Bong Abela's support, as well as the Istrat agency, we partnered with Tita Susie, the mother lily of the media industry. Thank you. So now we're here. Thank you for this relationship that we've established, and looking forward to another good year 2023 for Subway and our media partners, as well as our KOLs and influencer friends that we have here today. So this will surely not be the last of these kinds of gatherings as we look forward to more celebrations, especially in the coming year. So expect for more in 2023, especially Q1. We look forward to connecting with you and creating better choices together and continuing the partnership that we have started. So again, we wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's continue to make Subway the better choice and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.
Alright. Hashtag Subway Thanksgiving. Maraming salamat po. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, Sir Joshua Ma'am Jean, Sir Clee, Tita Susie, and Sir Wong slicing the giant smile. Yes, let's take a picture first. Okay, when I say Subway, you say eat fresh in 3, 2, 1, go! Subway! Eat fresh! Let's go! Alright, there you go. And of course, ladies and gents, can I get a big round of applause, please? Palapakan naman natin ang ating mga boss na nakasama natin ngayong araw for this year-end Thanksgiving. Applause to Miss Jean Gagarino!
Alright. Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so... Am I presenting today? No, I'm not. Alright. So once again, good afternoon everyone. On behalf of Subway Philippines, we would like to thank you all for coming this afternoon. To our media friends, where are the media friends here? Right? Our influencers.
Influencers, come
Wala
on!
malakas dyan.
Mas malakas!
And our partners, what a beautiful day this has been. We appreciate your presence today as we celebrate the end of another productive year for everyone. Okay, to close our year-end Thanksgiving event, I want to say thank you to everyone who has been a part of Subway's success for this year. And may we look forward to seeing your bright faces in the coming years ahead. We are really more than grateful to spend this day with all of you guys, and we wish everyone an advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So you enjoy the rest of the day, everyone.
There you go! Palapakan naman natin.
Happy blessed Christmas! Merry Christmas! Para hindi naman kumain, nakakainis.
Kulang yung energy, Tita Susie, isa
Walang
pa.
energy. But anyway, to all of you, to my bagets, influencers, all partners in media, to all the people who has been there, through thick and thin, my United Print Media partners, a round of applause please. I really don't know, Josh was right. Josh was right at the height of pandemic. Wala akong hindi linabas na PR ng Subway na hindi lumabas na walang token. A round of applause. Mere words cannot express. And I always have a grateful heart. I always believe that everything happens for a reason. I was doing for a company with big brands from US, you know that. And there was one sandwich company there. Hindi ako din ninyo kasi maybe it's because it's Subway's for me. Hindi ko ba explain? And in fact, the expats from the US, which is the Planet Hollywood Group, really love what I did for them. You were all present during that launch. That's right. But siguro sabi ko, there's something about the logo of Subway. There's no one brand na kulay green na hindi nag-prosper. A round of applause, and I believe that Subway is going to do it. Sabi ko sa inyong lahat, to you young girls, ang anak ko is an influencer but hindi niya kinarit. Kung ako lang edad niya, naku, lalo na to si Faith. Faith? Oh, by the way, Faith is a good friend from the Philippine Marketing Association. Sabi ko, kung tayo bata-bata, siguro tayo yung ganyan. Siguro tita, tayo yung marites, tayo yung you know what I mean? Kaya lang, sabi ko nga sa'yo, sabi nga nila, tita, game ba sila? Game ba sila na magsasali sa program, sa Bring Me Contest, or what? Hindi ba game? O, mga ilang taong kayo? Pakita senior card. Tinatanong na, tita, makakatulong ba yung senior card namin dito? Senior card. O, diba? So, to all of you, thank you very much. To my dear influencers, embrace Subway so much. And looking forward to the best of 2023. Maraming nakahanda. At please, may launch pa kami, ilabas nyo ang PR namin na ilabas ninyo itong aming new product. Please, okay? Sige, to all of you, Merry Christmas in advance. I love you, Josh. I love you, Jane. And to our partners, Bong, Estrat, my Gifted Minds family, say hi! Wala pang mga tulog yan. Walang mga tulog yan. Mamaya pahinga nila, mamaya 5 o'clock gising na naman mga anghel. Good afternoon and God bless.
Yes, thank you. Well, I think, hindi lang yan ang kayang ipakita ni Sir Ces. Sir Ces, can you sing the song? And of course, dance for us? Sige po, syempre. All for Subway. Let's do this! In 3, 2, 1, palakpakan naman natin, Sir Ces!
Head west on SCT, Bayoran Street toward SCT, Torilo Street, then turn left onto SCT, Torilo
Ang
Street.
galing kung